This is a 2024 3LZ E-Ray Coupe, Sea Wolf Gray with the jet black interior. Hello, everybody. Once again, I am Robert, and this is Corvette World Dallas. And how about a C8 Grand Sport? Oh, wait, they didn't call it that. It's called the Corvette E-Ray. So this beauty here, we literally, as the day we are filming this, just got this a few hours ago. So all I've done is a little bit of a hasty wash on it, just to get you guys to be able to see this beauty. So if you see any imperfections on this paint, I promise you my detailer will have it out by the time it gets ready on the floor. But check this out. This is a 2024 3LZ E-Ray Coupe, Sea Wolf Gray with the jet black interior. Look at how beautiful this car is. You got the black, or I should say the carbon flash with edge red, full length, dual racing stripes. We've got the visible carbon fiber Aero, all the normal carbon flash exterior accent options. So you see normally E-Rays have the body color. This has the full carbon flash instead. So look at that. I think it looks fabulous. And it looks more Z06-ish. Well, you add to that, look at these E-Ray wheels in gloss black. This is our first E-Ray that's had the gloss black wheels, and look at how gorgeous they look. And the massive J57 carbon ceramic brakes with the edge red calipers. We also, of course, have the visible carbon fiber side skirts. We have our normal body color mirrors with carbon flash accenting. We have the transparent removable targa top, and as you can see, the stripes do go through them. This is all full factory. Now, I will highlight, I had this actually come up with a customer over the weekend before we're filming this, and they asked about, well, how do I deal with the sun? Well, there are insert pieces you can pop up in there, and I actually have one of those in stock. So if you see this, you're interested and you want it, I will handily throw it in the car for you if I still have it. It doesn't sell beforehand. But you can also do that. Some people do tints in them to amplify the resistance from the sun. But what's cool about having these tops, it actually gives you an extra inch of headspace. Or if you are a YouTuber, you can pop in your GoPro camera up, suction cup it up to the top so you can view yourself while driving. So there's a lot of perks to having this top. As we make our way around, this E-Ray has the ZER package. So the ZER Performance Package gives you the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. As you can see, instead of the Pilot Sport All Seasons, I picked the rear wheel here, as you can see, because you see it clear as day. That is standard on the ZER package. But the ZER package also has another upgrade. You get the FED Magnetic Select Ride Performance setup. So the upgraded mag ride and the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Now, as we make our way to the back, this E-Ray has, of course, the body color spoiler, and you can see the stripes full length that come through here, and of course the customary Stingray badge here that the E-Ray gets with the extra, I don't know if you call it holes, whatnot. But we have the full stage 3 spoiler setup. So you can see we got the larger wicker bills, and they call this the clear bridge, is officially how they call it in the build info. As you can see the way it's mounted up, very similar to the C7 stage 3 spoiler package. And again, these can be removed and dropped to the shorties if desired. Next up, we have, of course, the black NPP multi-mode exhaust, and of course these are from the Stingray, and of course with the color sheen that this car has, it goes perfectly with this beauty. So this is a coupe. So of course we got our beautiful LT2 engine here, 6.2 liter with 495 horsepower, and we got the edge red engine cover, and as I mentioned, the FED Performance Magnetic Select Ride. Again, you look at this, you say it's just like the Stingray, but you see the difference here. See this reservoir, this of course is different than the Stingray. That's one thing that stands out. But again, just like the Stingray, you got the exact same rear trunk space. Okay, coming interior. So this is a 3LZ, so we got our beautiful jet black Napa leather, and you can see, just like the Z06, we got this beautiful custom stitching here. We do have the stealth interior package, so you can see this is blacked out. It's blacked out here, blacked out accenting. And of course, fully loaded, heads-up display, 14-speaker Bose premium sound. It has the infotainment system with the performance data recorder. And you can see we got the custom red stitching on the mode select there, red stitching throughout. And of course, we got the darken out center speaker and our beautiful GT2 bucket seats with red stitching. and the carbon fiber leather wrapped steering wheel with the red stitching Napa leather. All right, coming to the front, it's 24, so the front pops up and you hear a beep. Beep. So that means it's open. We got the foamies, of course, that come with it, you know, for the brakes if ever pulling the wheels off. We got all the performance Aero pieces still in here. We do have tow hook still in here, and we've got the shorty wickers. And again, I apologize, a little dirty. We'll get them cleaned up and polished up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stow these a little differently. Again, we just got this car in. I haven't even really gone through it much. But those all be in there. As you can see, it has virtually, minus a little bit of gap down here, it has virtually the same space as the Stingray. And I'm sorry, I put all this junk in here so you can see it. Just maybe about a 1/4 inch, a little bit less space because of the battery that sits behind here, which is, of course, the all-wheel drive e-assist motor. Again, bringing the 495 plus the 160, bringing a total 655 horsepower all-wheel drive. And it, of course, it's a 24 with the slow close feature. Of course, this beautiful E-Ray has 2,500 miles. We got it priced at $109,995. Factory warranty is fully intact. And again, when you go to my website, corvette-world-dallas.com, this vehicle will be posted with all the pictures, and it will have free access to the Carfax, which will also give you a free PDF to the window sticker breaking down the options. And of course, if you are interested in this beauty or any other Corvettes in my inventory, you can see our info up in the corner and our contact info down in the description below. Tell me what you think. How do you think of this E-Ray with all the carbon flash accenting instead of the body color? And of course, the way it's laid out, the now outgoing Sea Wolf Gray with all the black. I think it's fabulous. Probably one of the prettiest E-Rays I've seen. If you are interested, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next video.